Come down the hill like a yeti. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Orange Wire's Garage. In the last episode, we finished up this door skin. We tapped it all on there. So we told you we was going to spend a little bit of time welding this sucker up. So that's exactly what we did. We welded it up nice and slow and solid. And we think it turned out really good. We just went slow and easy, not to warp this sucker up. You'll also notice over here that we went ahead and pulled the other door off, because guess what? Why do one when you can do two for twice the price? So why don't we go ahead and get the Bondo out? Let's go ahead and put us a nice skim coat on this door. See if we can see some high and low spots. But you know what? I think we did really good, but that's enough talking. Let's get to work. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we worked on this door. We got a little Bondo out, we mixed it all up, we kneaded that dough, and we wiped it on the door. And look at that, where we welded that first wipe, check that out, man. It looks really, really good. This door is gonna make it, no doubt in our mind. This door is gonna be a brand spanking new door, or really, really close to it. We put a little bit more Bondo here and there, just kind of getting this initial feel for it. And we went ahead and hung it up out of the way because we've got that other one to cut open. We might as well do that. So we'll catch back up with you tomorrow in the morning. So it is the next day here. We've been working really hard on this door, getting everything ready for the new door bottom. We cut that old door bottom off. We shined everything up. We welded up a ton of holes in this door, just getting everything prepped. So what we got to do next is we got to get our door bottom up here. We got to make that final cut. We got everything cleaned up and shined up on the inside, and we're ready for the pour 15. Last time we did this, we made a huge mistake and didn't tape up all the holes on the other side of the door. So that stuff just ran out the other side and made one whale of a mess. So that's enough talking. Let's get to work. Just like that, we got the door all put together. We got that door bottom on. It is glued on, tack welded on. We got the POR 15 on the inside. We couldn't be more excited with the progress we made, but we'll catch back up with you tomorrow in the morning. boom, and just like that, we got the door bottom all welded in. It looks absolutely perfect, amazing. We learned a lot on the other one. It's the first door bottom that we ever put in, so we get better every time we do it. Be 100% honest with you, hope we never have to do it again. Like door skins, whatever, that door bottom, that's tough. It's tough work. It took a long time, but you know what? Turned out really good with that first skim coat of Bondo on. I think it's gonna turn out absolutely perfect. Maybe not 100%, but let's go for 5 nines anyway. But I think we ran out of time for this video, guys. But if you like this video and you like this content, drop us a like. It really helps us out. Follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. We do appreciate each and every one of you, and a special thanks to all the subscribers. We'll catch you next time. And this old 1969, we're out.